When your teacher lets you know that there's a new assignment for you to complete, the first place you can go to is the stream, but that can make it quite difficult for you to find the content that you're looking for. So the best thing to do is always come to the classwork tab, and you can see the newest assignment. If there was no topics, would be at the top here, but because this has been organized, this classroom has been organized by topic, we can then just make sure that it's a literacy topic or a numeracy topic, and then we can sort them out. So let's have a look at one of these activities. Let's click on how many triangles. And so if I click on that, I should be able to see my instructions. Click on this. Over here on the right hand side, you can see the actual resource that's been sent to me by my teacher. We can add or create, we can hand it in. But over here we've got some private comments, so we can talk to the teacher for seek some clarifications. If I want to talk to my teacher, I just click on here and I can add a private comment that's only can be seen between me and my teacher. So I might go ask, and that will pop up. I'm going to send this now, and that will pop up on my teacher's inbox. So here's a question, and I can keep track of here inside my how many triangles work that the comments that my teacher is going to be making to me. So I can now click on this work here, and so here's my task, and I can read through the activity. Everything I need is in the task, and finally there is some requirement for me to place something in here. So let's just say, for example, I'm not going to put a screencastify in here. I'm going to insert an image. So I just click on insert image, and I'm going to search from the web. This is now my completed piece of work, and I want to submit it back to my teacher. So there's some options here. I can just close this, and I can now hand in my work over here. Click on hand in. Yep, that'll be do, and I'm going to hand it in. And as soon as I've handed it in, the work gets locked. I can't edit it until my teacher hands it back to me. Once I've handed it in, if I think I've made a mistake or I want to add more content to it, I can unsubmit it and it will be brought back to me and I can edit it. But at the moment, whilst it's submitted, it's locked and I can't edit it until I unsubmit or my teacher hands it back to me.